Morning. So this morning I am working on the Firebird. There we are, Firebird. And what I'm doing this morning is I am working on the subframe. So in particular on the subframe, the bad mounts in the front and in the back, see down there. And I'm replacing those with some 1/8 material. Actually, it's 3/16, I think. And the templates that I got from John at Vinyl Village Garage. So if you watch John's videos, he does a video on the subframe repair, and he offers to send you templates so that you can get your steel cut out accurately and replace these units that are destroyed. So yeah, so I am getting that done today, or I'm working on it. I'm getting started on it. I got the template out, got some steel out to start cutting it and sanded off the junk that's gonna have to come out. So that's what I'm doing this morning. Thought I'd do that while I was, had a few minutes. So anyways, here we go. Going to get started on this and see how far I can get. Okay, so next day, I'm back here working on the Firebird subframe rebuild, and I've got my steel laid out. I'm gonna start cutting it, and then I can get it welded into the subframe. But first I gotta cut it, then I gotta come over here, I've gotta mark it. I'm using these templates, and these lay in real nice, as you can see. So just got to cut them out of the steel, get them welded in there, and then I'll cut that 1.5 inch hole for the using a hole saw. It'll be much easier to do when it's in the frame, so I'm gonna do that. So then I'm gonna get it ready. I'm trying to figure out if I'm gonna powder coat or paint it. I got to talk to powder coater, see what it's gonna cost to powder coat it, and then go from there. First little cut. All right, number one. I don't know if you could see that or not. The Milwaukee torch. Yeah, these things just rip through this steel. Nice blades. Best ones I've found so far. So drilling the hole for the locator. Working my way up in sizes so it doesn't drift on me. Okay, as you can see, I got the first pad cut. I've got a 5/8 drill here. So I've used that as my pilot. So we're all good there. Then I marked all the way around the perimeter here. So now I use this hole right here to locate my 1.5 inch hole off my templates. So I'm not going to drill that 1.5 inch hole until I get this thing all mounted up. So now I've got to take this off. That's warm. And I've got to cut along each of these lines right here, because this is paper thin out to about here. So paper thin way out here, and it's supposed to be 1.5 inches, and that's probably 2-inch hole right there. But this is nice and solid. So I got a good locating mark there. So I'm gonna get this all cut out. We'll set the other one in there and tack it in place. So I got a little bit to fill right here, but not bad. All right, so I got it tacked, but I'm out of gas. So it's tacked, it's ugly, I'm out of gas. It started popping on me and yeah, it's not flowing. So, yep, I'm gonna have to go get some gas and come back at it. But got the first one tacked in, where it's gotta go. Locating hole is in the right spot. So I'll get it all welded in, ground off, then I'll drill the 1.5 inch hole with the hole saw. So, good start, and I have to go to work. So, catch you later.